research and development today, and we're getting ready to do the install of Thermal's new 3-inch exhaust system for the 2021 Ford Bronco with the 2.7-liter turbo. First part we're going to install is the mid-pipe sound absorbing muffler, 3-inch tubing. It's going to bolt up to the back of the factory catalytic converter. We're going to reuse the factory steel gasket. Put a little lubricant on the side hanger so it inserts easily. Reuse the original nuts to bolt it into place. Next part we're going to install is the axle pipe. It's the center pipe. It's a 3-inch tube with a hanger on it, and we use this 3-inch double compression clamp to hold them together. We're going to take a Sharpie and a tape measure, and we're going to put a mark just over 1.5 inches down from the end. We're going to put our double compression clamp with the nuts facing down on the driver's side. I'm going to slide it up to that mark. It tells us that we're about centered with the tube. We'll lubricate this hanger with a little WD-40. Slide the pipe over the axle. Put the hanger into the original Bronco mount. I'm going to just snug it up at this time, knowing that we got to put our muffler in place for final adjustment. Last piece we have to put on is the rear chamber. Now this is a Helmholtz chamber designed to remove the drone from the exhaust system. I'm going to install it we're going to mark our 1.5 inch mark again for the double compression clamp. We're going to lubricate the hangers, put it up in place, level it out, and clamp it up. Once you have the unit in place and the clamps are snug, you're going to check everything for maximum clearance, level rear muffler, and all your hangers are in place, and go back over each connection, giving it its final tightening. Thermal has built the standard exhaust system with a 3-inch tailpipe. There's an optional 4-inch tip that can be purchased, available in both polished stainless and black coating. One of our easier installing systems. It has great sound, plenty of ground clearance, and Thermal, we're very proud of it.